What, brother? What you are doing?
So this is Risu. It's a humanoid robot. It's a humanoid robot that we have been working on building it in my university. Everything that it's made of is 3D printed inside the university. So right now it has a lot of features like it can express emotion, it can differentiate between people that it is talking with, and it has speech to speech. So you can talk to it and it waits for your turn, and then it speaks and you wait for its turn. So if you want, I can give you a little demo right now, and you can just talk into the mic. Would you like to?
And we have our own PQC done. So we have our post-quantum done. We have the algorithms done, and we are the only one after Google to work with that. And we have made our own key right now. So this is works with security. And right now we are the only one doing in Agra. And we are doing
No, this ROBO, what is the main purpose you are aiming?
Right now, sir, we want to emulate a lot of the purposes that human intelligence. I feel like human intelligence can be put to use a lot better than repetitive tasks. So whatever these repetitive tasks and unskilled laborers and such are there, it is to slowly push away those jobs to push humans into something which requires their intelligence and their ability to change and adapt to the new environment. So right now, what we are trying.
If you do this adaptability, everything, what you are expecting efficiency level of human replacement?
So right now we are facing a little bit because in the research.
That is what I am asking.
So right
I am
now
aware of robots, all these things. Where are you today? I want to ask. Okay. It will take some time.
How long? I can just run it.
Yeah, you are.
So in that meantime, this is the paper we showed, and you can see we have drafted this paper, and only after Google only we have done it. So this will be next level since these computers can be hacked and can be used anywhere. So right now you've seen this CPU. It doesn't have hard disk. It's running directly from the Google cloud. So we have deployed everything over there, and even without hard disk, this CPU is running. So now you imagine, next it's a very disruptive technology. Now we can have CPUs running without any hard disk. We can just have the main server.
Hello, Risu. Okay.
We're just waiting for it to talk, but since resources are a little bit high right now.
Maybe return. Okay.
Sure.
What are you doing?
We are converting plastic waste to biomass waste into
Emma?
graphene, sir.
Plastic waste?
Plastic waste biomass waste ఉంటుంది కదా సార్, దాని నుంచి గ్రఫీన్ అనే నానో మెటీరియల్ని మేము సింథసైజ్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్. సో ఆ నానో మెటీరియల్ వచ్చేసి మనకి సో ఇది వచ్చేసి మనం సెమీ కండక్టర్స్ చేయడానికి, బ్యాటరీస్ చేయడానికి, సిమెంట్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్లో
అవన్నీ ఉపయోగిస్తారు.
వీటన్నిటిలో యూజ్ చేస్తారు సార్. సో వీటి అప్లికేషన్స్ పౌడర్స్ వచ్చేసి సో 2D మెటీరియల్.
వాట్ ఈస్ ది కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రాజెక్ట్ కాస్ట్ ఎంత?
ఇది మొత్తం 1 ton ప్లాంట్ చేయడానికి వచ్చేసి 1 crore అవుతుంది.
₹1 కోటి. కెపాసిటీ ఎంత?
1 ton కెపాసిటీ.
1 ton కెపాసిటీ. 1 ton ప్లాస్టిక్.
1 ton ప్లాస్టిక్ వేస్తే మన గ్రఫీన్ వచ్చేసి 100 to 200 kgs వస్తుంది.
వాట్ ఈస్ ది వైబిలిటీ?
సో ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ వచ్చేసి 1 kg వచ్చేసి 60,000 ఉంది సార్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్. సో 60,000 to 1 lakh మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ ఉంది. మేము వచ్చేసి మా కాస్ట్ వచ్చేసి 35,000 పడుతుంది.
అంటే రిటర్న్స్ ఎంత వస్తుందని?
30 times రిటర్న్స్. ROI వచ్చేసి 30.
కాదమ్మా, ROI
వచ్చేసి 67%
ఇస్తున్నారా? ఓకే. కెన్ యూ ప్రూవ్ ఇట్? ఓకే, లెట్ us see. What is the
Myself, our company
Youngsters?
Exogate Private Limited.
ఎదిమా?
Exogate Private Limited.
Okay.
మేము మానిటరింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్ తయారు చేస్తుంటాము.
Mm.
మానిటరింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్ ఏ పారామీటర్స్ అయినా మెజర్ చేయడానికి ఉపయోగపడతారు. జనరల్గా ఇది మనకి కోల్డ్ స్టోరేజెస్కి, వేర్ హౌసెస్కి, పౌల్ట్రీ ఫార్మ్స్కి, అలానే మనకి సీవేజ్, అది ఎక్కడే చాలా పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం. మనకి గ్యాస్ లీకేజెస్ వల్ల మనుషులు చనిపోతూ ఉంటారు సీవేజెస్ లోపలికి వెళ్ళిన వాళ్ళు. ఇది ఒక మానిటరింగ్ సిస్టమ్, ఇది రెగ్యులర్ గా చూస్తూ ఉంటుంది, మనకు ఒక ప్రాపర్ ఇండికేషన్స్ అనేవి ఇస్తూ ఉంటుంది. మనకి ఇలానే కాకుండా రోబోట్స్ కానీ వేరే వేరే చోట్ల డిప్లాయ్ అయిన రోబోట్స్ మనకి అవి సరిగ్గా పనిచేస్తున్నాయా లేదా, వాటికి మెయింటెనెన్స్ కావాలా లేదా అనేది కూడా మనకి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే మనకి రిపేర్ చేయడం తక్కువ, రీప్లేస్ చేయడానికి ఎక్కువ కావాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో ఈ హోల్ సిస్టమ్ అనేది ఎకనామికల్ గా కానీ ఎలాగైనా కూడా
అంటే ఇది ఫ్రమ్ రిమోట్
రిమోట్ మానిటరింగ్ మొత్తం,
రిమోట్ మానిటరింగ్ విత్ సెన్సార్స్.
సెన్సార్స్.
అదే డాష్ బోర్డ్ అవన్నీ నాకు తెలుసు. నేను డాష్ బోర్డ్ మీకు నేర్పించాను, మీరు నాకు నేర్పిస్తున్నారు. డాష్ బోర్డ్ అవన్నీ ఐఎమ్ అవేర్ విత్ సెన్సార్ బేస్డ్ విత్ సెంట్రల్ మానిటరింగ్, అంతేనా? ఓకే. ఏంటా? గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ హర్షవర్ధన్. గట్టిగా బీ లౌడర్ ఆల్వేస్.
My name is J. Harshvardhan Naidu. This is our product called N-Switch Kit. It's a universal compatibility battery swapping. What we are doing is like already you'll be having a fixed battery. So here in the port we are giving a additional port where you can use battery swapping as an additional option. Even so, this scooter was owned by a government employee who sold this to us because the range was very limited, because he was facing a lot of problems. That's why he was telling that I don't need this scooter. Again, we switched to an ICE vehicle. So what we did, the same scooter, we added a port over here where you can use battery swapping as an additional option. Whenever the main battery is going below 35%, you can see here, whenever the main primary battery is going below 35%, it switches suddenly to the secondary battery, 36 to 35. And it suddenly switches to the secondary battery. You don't have to switch any mechanism, there is nothing. Automatically it will switch. Only the problem is you need to be having an additional battery available.
అంటే ప్రైమరీ సెకండరీ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్
Primary, secondary we are doing.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఏం బ్రదర్,
Yes.
వాట్ ఆర్ యు డూయింగ్?
So that is actually use cases for our police and then civil engineers and civil persons work. Actually, there is sending these lasers. Okay, so such that we can alignment also, building alignment we can do. And sir, actually these we talked to APDC, Andhra Pradesh Drone Corporation. They suggested that low cost you please build up. So within 5,000 we made it. So throughout the world that is high cost. Very it is near about 20,000 above. So right now it is doing some laser things that they are giving. So fan also we have set up. So people are working outside, sir. So fan also right now working, and the lights also there.
Which companies can use this?
Any
Mining,
and then
majority
fire,
mining.
Fire.
And also it will be useful in steel factories,
Rescue also, sir. Rescue.
risky places.
Because we are sending this one signal to receiver, so you can check. You can send the SOS to this person also. Sir,
Okay.
another sir, this one actually that is Andhra Pradesh Greenery and Beautification. They have given our project. So
What you are going to do with that?
actually, we know this bougainvillea. We are giving this plantation, right? So it is automatically will rotate and it will spray, sir. So only one person job. Right now, what is happening? So people are using the car, truck, and the driver is there, and then person is spraying. So we are making it fully autonomous. So one 20 liter one jar is there right now for the prototype thing. So we are getting the POC from them. So it will spray, monitor the disease, and automatically it will do. And
It is a disease control.
disease control and spraying also. We have to maintain.
Spraying for fertilizers,
Yes, whatever water if you want, you can do.
watering or fertilizer,
and
both.
It is a foldable we design. Okay, so you can carry through motorbike also.
Yeah, how much this for one operation? How much area you can cover?
Actually, sir, it is a plantation in the roadside, no?
Yeah.
So from 3 feet it can operate. So it will go slowly. One remote control.
What is the water? Can
It is a 20 liter jar right now.
20 liters.
So anything
even you can increase.
Yes,
Okay,
thank you, sir.
that's good. And what are you doing? Good afternoon.
This is Pocket Labs. This is basically kits for people that live in rural areas and they don't have access for laboratories. So they can buy these kits and do the experiments, and they'll get course.
According to the course, they can do their experiment, which will help them to grow more in that rural areas, which the experiments, their kit is not available.
Currently, we're working on
And
This kit is meant for what are all the experiments they can do.
yes.
every experiment, like in 12th and 10th books, all the experiments they are having, all segregated, and all this stuff we will give in a very cheap and a very affordable price so that they can assess it.
Okay. And what is your experiment?
My name
Pilot?
is Muthu.
Mm.
I'm from Native Vellore, sir.
Mm.
A lot of people